Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can set a video as your lock screen on your iPhone or iPad device. And this method will also work with the recent iOS 13 update as well. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download a free app from the Apple App Store, which is called Video to Live. So I've already gone ahead and downloaded it, and I'll put a link down below in the video description if you would like to follow along with this video as well. So once you've gone ahead and downloaded this free app, you just want to go over and open this. Now once you're in here, it will just ask for access to your photos and videos, so you just want to go ahead and allow those permissions, and once you do allow access, it will automatically bring up all the videos on your iPhone or iPad device, as we will be converting this to a live photo, which we can then set as a wallpaper on the iPhone. So in this instance, you just want to go ahead and press on the video that you would like to convert. So I'm just going to randomly press on one of these videos. And another cool thing about this method is no matter what type of video you have, whether that's landscape or portrait, these will both work for the lock screen, as it will actually convert it to portrait once you do set it. So once you do choose the video, it's very simple to navigate. You just want to go down here and pretty much just adjust the length of the video that you would like on your lock screen. So you can just drag from either side and you can just trim the length of the video. So in this instance, this is about a 2-minute video, and I just want to bring it down to about 30 seconds. Now if I want to go ahead and play the video just to see how it will look on my iPhone, I can just go ahead and press play. And that's looking pretty good. And now I can go ahead and make cover. And wherever I press this will set this particular frame of the video as the lock screen on my iPhone. And then I can go ahead and play the video from this. So I'm just going to go ahead and make cover. Now once I'm finished with the changes, now I can go ahead and press convert. Now this will just take a couple of moments to convert to a live photo, which we can then use on our lock screen. So now that's finished, I can just exit out of here, and now we get a notification that the conversion has been done. So once we're finished with that, we can now go back to the settings of our iPhone or iPad. Now once we're in here, we just want to scroll down to wallpaper, and then we just want to go to choose a new wallpaper. Now down here, we just want to go to recent. And this is the conversion that we just processed using the free app. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. And now down here we have the option to turn live on or off. So if I go ahead and press that will turn it off, and I just want to keep this on, so I'll tap it again. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set, and before I do that I can also adjust it as well, as this is landscape, so I can adjust it however I want it to be on my iPhone. So I'm just going to go ahead and press set. And I'm just going to set this as the lock screen. And this will just take a couple of moments. Now once I'm done with that, I can now go to the lock screen on my iPhone. And now I'll turn it on. And as you can see, it's an image, but as soon as I press it, you'll see that it turns into the video that we just made. So there you have it guys, that's an awesome way on how to set a video on your lock screen on your iPhone or iPad device. And this is also awesome as you can easily change this whenever you please, and you can also change the length of the video as well. So there you have it guys, hopefully this quick video has been helpful for you. If you'd like to see any more videos like this about iPhones or iPads, please drop your ideas down below in the comment section, as I'll be more than happy to make videos for all of you out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.